The purpose of digestion is to break down large insoluble molecules into small soluble molecules that can be absorbed into the bloodstream. So, the chemical digestion is controlled by enzymes which are produced in different areas of the digestive system. Now, there are three main types of digestive enzymes, which are carbohydrases, proteases, and lipases. So first we're going to talk about carbohydrases. So amylase is produced in the mouth and the pancreas, and it is secreted in the duodenum. Now amylase digests starch into smaller sugars. So amylase is secreted into the alimentary canal in the mouth and the duodenum from the pancreas and digests starch to maltose. Now, maltose is digested by the enzyme maltase into the glucose on the membranes of the epithelium lining the small intestine. Then we have proteases. Now, proteases are a group of enzymes that break down proteins into amino acids in the stomach and small intestines. So, digestion takes place in the stomach and the duodenum with two main enzymes produced. Now, pepsin is produced in the stomach, and trypsin is produced in the pancreas and secreted into the duodenum. Then we have lipases. So, lipases are enzymes produced in the pancreas and secreted into the duodenum. So, they digest lipids into fatty acids and glycerol.